Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy, your real estate resource in the Silicon Valley. Yes, the Bay Area can be super expensive to live in. However, there are opportunities all over the Bay Area. You know, most of the people who are first-time home buyers, they usually start with buying a condo or a townhome, and there are condos and townhomes out there ranging from $500,000 to $1 million. We got a beautiful one right here in Fremont. Can't wait to share this with you. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 39078 Guardino, number 105. Resort-style living in this delightful corner in-unit condo in the desirable Adobe Hills gated community. Gorgeous and bright with an open floor plan featuring a spacious living room with cozy fireplace. Situated on the main level in a secure, well-maintained community. Modern kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. There's an inside laundry with extra storage space. The updated bathroom features contemporary fixtures. Complex amenities include a gorgeous lush greenbelt with fountains and sitting areas, a serene and spacious private covered patio with access from the living room and master bedroom sliders, a swimming pool on a multi-level patio area, a hot tub and lawn area for picnics and gatherings, tennis courts, large clubhouse, secured building with elevator, gated underground parking garage with additional storage. Walking distance to restaurants, popular stores, Lake Elizabeth, and BART. An ideal community location with easy access to Silicon Valley, San Francisco, and the peninsula via highways 880, 237, 101, and 680.
As you just saw, it's a great opportunity. And if you have any questions, that's what I'm here for. Reach out to me anytime. We'll see you soon.